Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Miral. Today we're getting real about the future of work. We live in an era where technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. At the heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's more commonly known, which is reshaping the world around us in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. But along with the many benefits and conveniences AI brings, there's also a fair share of apprehension. One area where this apprehension is particularly palpable is in the job market. As AI systems become more sophisticated, there's growing concern about the impact these advancements might have on our careers. Some worry that AI could replace human workers in certain roles, leading to job losses. But is this fear justified? To get a clearer picture, let's dive into the jobs that may be replaced by AI in the future. First up, we have content marketers and journalists. In the world of content marketing, it's all about engaging stories and reaching the right audience. AI can lend a hand by analyzing data and trends to suggest topics and optimize content for better reach. Moving on to journalists, they're our society's watchdogs, digging deep into stories and keeping us all in the know. AI can be a whiz at sifting through enormous amounts of data to find potential news stories and even whip up basic reports. But here's the catch. AI can't replace the human ability to analyze complex situations, conduct meaningful interviews, and write narratives that truly resonate. So while AI can help with data analysis, it can't replace the human touch in these fields. The future of journalism and content marketing will be about blending human expertise with AI's data analysis to deliver stories that are both insightful and impactful. Moving on to graphic artists and data analysts. Graphic artists, the visual wizards who bring ideas to life, might find AI entering their creative space. AI can now generate basic designs and even adapt existing ones. But remember, it's the human touch that adds depth and meaning to a design. Something AI is yet to master. Data analysts, the digital detectives of our time, might also see AI as a new partner. AI can automate data processing, sift through massive data sets, and generate basic reports. It's like having a tireless assistant that works round the clock. But when it comes to extracting insights, identifying patterns, and making sense of the data, human intuition and critical thinking still reign supreme. As you can see, AI can assist in these fields, but it can't replace human creativity and problem-solving skills. The future of graphic design and data analysis is not about replacement, but collaboration between humans and AI. Before we continue, let's take a quick break. It's an exciting journey we're on, isn't it? Exploring how AI might reshape our world. If you're enjoying this adventure as much as I am, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to keep discovering and learning about the future with me, don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Miral. We've got a lot more in store for you. All right, let's get back to it. Next, we have programmers and lawyers. Now, programmers and coders, they're the ones building our digital world, from websites to apps. AI is starting to automate some coding tasks and generate basic code. However, the future of programming isn't just about automation. It's about human creativity to solve complex problems and design innovative software solutions. It's about adapting to constantly evolving technologies. Switching gears, let's talk about lawyers who navigate the complex legal system, representing clients and ensuring justice is served. AI is stepping in here too, assisting with legal research and document review. But the future of law is still firmly in the hands of humans. Lawyers with strong critical thinking, communication, and negotiation skills will be essential for interpreting complex legal issues, building persuasive arguments, and advocating for their clients. AI can be a powerful tool, but it can't replace human judgment and empathy. Lastly, we have warehouse workers and radiologists. Warehouse workers are the backbone of our supply chain, managing inventory and making sure orders are fulfilled. But here's the thing. AI is becoming quite adept at automating repetitive tasks. Picture robots picking and packing items in a warehouse. It's happening today. But don't fret, our warehouse heroes are not out of the game. The future of warehouse work will still need the human touch. Why? because humans excel in problem solving, ensuring accuracy, and adapting to ever-changing inventory needs. So, imagine a warehouse where robots do the heavy lifting, but humans supervise these robots and ensure everything runs smoothly. That's a future warehouse for you. Now let's talk about radiologists and medical diagnosticians. They're the folks who analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to diagnose diseases. AI has made strides here too, analyzing medical scans and even suggesting potential diagnoses. Impressive, isn't it? But here's the catch. Diagnosing diseases is not just about analyzing images. It involves understanding the patient's history, correlating symptoms, and most importantly, making critical decisions that could impact a patient's life. And that, my friends, is something AI is yet to master. So while AI can help with many tasks, it can't replace the human touch in these fields. As we've seen, AI has the potential to impact many jobs. From content marketers to journalists, graphic artists to data analysts, programmers to lawyers, warehouse workers to radiologists, AI is set to revolutionize the way we work. But remember, it's not about replacement, it's about collaboration. AI can take over repetitive tasks, analyze data faster, and even suggest solutions, but it can't replace the human touch. Our creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and ability to adapt to changing circumstances are irreplaceable. So, while the future of work will see us working side by side with AI, it's our uniquely human skills that will continue to be in high demand. The future of work will be shaped by the collaboration between humans and AI. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Thanks for joining us today on Learn with Miral.